Hello pen lovers, I'm Becca from Pen Chalet, and today we're diving into the stylish world of fountain pen storage solutions. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move, we've got you covered with options that not only protect your pens but also showcase them beautifully. Let's get organized. Starting with pen sleeves, these are perfect for those who prefer minimal and lightweight protection. They are made from soft materials like leather or canvas, and they guard against scratches and are ideal for slipping into your pocket or bag. There are a couple options for pen sleeves. We have single pen sleeves, which are good for one pen, and then these are double pen sleeves, which are good for two pens. Pen sleeves are perfect for the enthusiast who is always on the go. If you're looking for something more substantial, pen boxes might be your pick. Available in various materials and finishes, from wood to leather, they can hold multiple pens and often come with velvet-lined interiors. These are great for displaying your collection on a desk or a shelf. Another pen storage option are pen zipper cases, and these combine security with accessibility. With a sturdy zipper enclosure, these cases provide excellent protection and easy storage for multiple pens. This case in particular also allows you to store some ink samples. They come in various sizes and are quite popular among students and professionals. For the traditionalists, pen wraps are a fantastic choice. They roll up securely and can accommodate several pens, ensuring each one stays snug and scratch-free. They unfold for easy access, making them a favorite for those who like to take their collection wherever they go. If you're looking for a modern touch, check out our pen cubes. These are typically made from clear acrylic and are designed to sit on your desk, offering an attractive way to organize and display your pens vertically. For those who need something more substantial for larger collections, the pen briefcase is ideal. It resembles a traditional briefcase but is designed specifically for pens, often lined with soft fabric to keep each pen secure and organized. And lastly, the D. Charles display trays and stands not only protect your pens but also turn them into a focal point of your workspace. Whether you're rotating seasonal favorites or showcasing new acquisitions, these trays and stands offer a visually appealing solution that complements any decor. Opt for the full set with the tray and stand together, or integrate the tray with your existing 10-pen box for a cohesive and attractive display. And there you have it, 7 stylish ways to store and protect your prized fountain pens. Each option has its unique charm and functionality, ensuring there's something for every pen enthusiast out there. Don't forget to visit penchalet.com to explore these solutions and more. Subscribe for more tips and let us know in the comments how you prefer to store your pens. Happy writing!